headed out to Dollar Tree today to do some gift basket shopping. It is definitely gift giving season, and so let's go shopping for some unique but fun gift ideas for everyone in your family. Do you have someone in your life who loves puzzles or puzzle games? The Dollar Tree has a really great selection of puzzles. Now, I found these over in the puzzle section. There are puzzles for everyone. They had these buttons. They had this yarn puzzle. I kind of went crazy buying the puzzles. But they also had some like food puzzles. They had this really cute sushi puzzle. They also had this really cute hot dog puzzle. I would totally put this together. And then they had a more like vintage, these look like posters or stamps, like a travel one. Now they have all kinds of different sizes. They have all kinds of different pictures. So this is a really great basket for somebody who loves to put puzzles together. We're going to put this together by starting with one of these buckets from the Christmas area at Dollar Tree. We're going to take some filler from the party section. This is one bag. You can put as much or as little as you want. I'm going to take 4 puzzles and we're going to stagger them into our bucket. I also picked up this puzzle glue in the crafter square area. I picked up 2 of them. We're going to go ahead and add that to our bucket. And that is it for this basket idea. Let me know what you think about this one. So Dollar Tree has a lot of variety as far as soaps and body washes go, but I found these this year over in the soap area, and I think that they actually give a really high-end vibe. So here is what they look like. I got 3 different scents. I got a spiced pumpkin, a crisp apple, and a toasted coconut. Now I think these would make a really great gift set, so we're going to go ahead and put that together. For this one, we're going to take a basket I had on hand. This came from a thrift store. I'm going to use another packet of the filler from the party area. Now, they have various different colors. For Christmas, I picked up white, red, and like some variations of red. One fit in this basket nicely, and then I'm going to take my soap and I'm just going to arrange it into the basket. Now, I think this looks very high-end. Definitely looks like something you might pick up at TJ Maxx or Ross, but I really love this one. I'm going to use a basket bag, put it around it, and this is it for this one. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Now, of course, I had to do a crafty basket for that craft lover in your life. For this basket, I picked up the snowflake one. I was able to find 3 different variations of these baskets. I also picked up this teal shredder in the party area. It kind of matched the snowflakes. Then we're going to just arrange our crafting supplies. We're going to put our calendars in first, then our cutting mat. I kind of go by height here. We're going to add our tools, our scissors, and our woodworking tools, our glue gun mat, and our cutter, and then our finger protectors and our pom-pom maker. You can customize this to be any crafting supplies that your person might love. I really loved how this one turned out. Let me know what you guys think about this one. So if you have a crafty kiddo at home, this basket is for you. I found these really cute canvases. They actually have a picture on them already. So if you have somebody who's kind of new to painting or maybe just likes to do coloring, this is a great option as well. We're going to use a Santa basket for this one, and I added some filler in the bottom. I definitely recommend 2 bags of the filler for this one. I only put 1 in here, but I went back later and added another one. We're going to add our canvases and our easel. This would be great for anyone, really. You don't have to get the canvases that have the pictures on them. You can get blank ones. We're going to add just our other items into the front of our basket, and that is it for this one. Let me know what you guys think about this basket idea. One thing I love to pick up at Dollar Tree is coloring books. They have a wide variety for all ages. I went ahead and picked up a couple different ones, and we're going to go ahead and make a coloring basket out of that. We're going to use one of these plastic tubs that they also have over in the Christmas area. These come with lids, so there's a lot of different things that you can put in here. These would be great for baking as well. I picked up these coloring books. There are several different ones. I thought these were a little bit more of like adult coloring books, but they have a little bit harder scenes. You can put any coloring books you want in here. I'm just going to arrange them in here with some markers and some colored pencils. I'm going to put the lid underneath and use a basket bag to wrap this up. Let me know what you guys think about this one. It's that time in the video to go ahead and hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and become a part of my YouTube family. So baking baskets are not new at the Dollar Tree, but I wanted to show you these really cute towels that I got. These are drying towels, not actual dish towels, but these are my favorite ones. They absorb water a lot better than the actual hand towel, but they have this really cute gnome one. They also have this really cute elf one, and then they have one that says Jingle All the Way. If you want to get traditional ones, they also have these oven mitts that match towels, and I think they had like 3 different designs. We're going to go ahead and put together a baking basket with some of these items. They have a lot of different versions of these plastic bins. I picked up this one because it had a little bit of a baking theme to it. We're just going to add some filler into the bottom of this one, and then once our filler's in, we're ready to assemble our stuff. This one was a brown and red one, kind of went with the bucket. I got some cookie packets. We're going to go ahead and add those to the bucket, and then we're going to go ahead and put our towels into the back. I really loved these. I thought they were so cute. I would love to get this basket. Once I have those in there, I also picked up some baking cups along with some candy making cups. We're going to go ahead and throw those into the front of our basket. This would be really cute if you actually made some things as well and put them in the bucket with the towels. Either way, let me know what you guys think about this one. So this basket is going to be for that water talker in your life. If you know, you know, and let me show you what I picked up at the Dollar Tree that you can use in a water bar or just flavored water junkie, or even if they're a newbie. For this one, we're going to start with another one of these buckets. I thought this one was really cute because it said a cup of cheer, and we're doing a water theme here. We're going to go ahead and put some shred in the bottom, and then we're going to add our items. So I got this cute water bottle in the Dollar Tree Plus section. It was $5. It is a glass. I think it's super nice. I also picked up these flavorings. These are sugar-free, and if you're a water talker, that's what you want in your water. I picked up caramel and vanilla. Vanilla is one of my favorites to put in my water. I also picked up some pineapple, some orange, and some strawberry water packets. Pineapple's my favorite. I love to add that with vanilla, so this would definitely be a basket I would love to get. Let me know what you guys think about this one. This next basket idea is for that organizer or planner in your life. I am a planner junkie, and so these are just some of my favorite items that you can put together for a really fun planner basket. We're going to use this Merry Christmas box that I also got in that Christmas area. We're going to add our shred to it. Now, if you don't want to add shred, that is totally up to you. You don't have to. We're going to add our planner supplies here. I got this cute pineapple planner. I also got these stickers. Now, I am a Happy Planner user. I've told you guys that before. All of these items could be used in a different planner as well, as long as I use them in my Happy Planner. I also got some really cute sticky notes, this Get It Done packet, and if you're a Happy Planner like me, you probably have a punch you can put these in a different punched planner. I also picked up these cute little stickers and then some highlighters. These are a midliner dupe. I really like the midliners, and so this is a good dupe that they have here at Dollar Tree. I found this cute little accessory thing that you can put your phone on and keep messages. I put some washi tape and some cute pens, and then we're going to go ahead and call that a basket. Let me know what you guys think about this planner one. Our next basket idea is a spa basket. I'm going to show you some of my favorite things to get at the Dollar Tree for spa treatment days. We're going to start with this sled, and we're going to go ahead and add our supplies to this. We're going to add some Himalayan pink salt. You're going to add some socks. I got the feety ones that have the grippers. We're going to add some toenail clippers. These are really cute. They look like toenails. And then the star of this basket is the foot mask. I really love these. This one's lavender scented. They have different variations there that you can pick up. We're going to add that to our basket, and that is it for this one. Let me know what you think about this one. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for being here. Comment a present emoji and let me know you're enjoying the video. This is another one of these beauty type basket ideas. So let's look at these products. These are some of my favorite ones that I like to pick up from Dollar Tree on a regular basis. Now they have all kinds of different box options over in the wrapping paper area. I picked up a couple. We're going to put our face under eye masks in here. And then I got this jade roller. This is one of my favorite items from the Dollar Tree. I also got a lip mask and an under eye mask. I've used the lip one a lot. I really like that one. And then we're going to add this face mask that was kind of seasonal, and then a watermelon one. We're just going to arrange those into the basket, and that is it for this one. If you guys ever pay attention to my hands in my videos, you know I'm not a nail person, but I found some really cute nail things that you can put together as a little nail basket for that nail person in your life. We're going to use another one of these boxes that are kind of like a gift bag. We're going to go ahead and add our items here. So this is a fingernail polish brush holder. You put the tip into that, and then it's able to be used as an applicator. It's supposed to help you steady the brush. Then I got this cute pedicure set and a couple of nail polishes. We're going to go ahead and add this. Now to this basket, I didn't add any filler, but I did go back later and add some just so you could have some height in there. I also put in this Dove lotion, which is one of my very favorite products from the Dollar Tree. Use it all the time. It fits in a purse nicely. That is it for this one. Let me know what you guys think about this one. I have one more crafty type little basket to put together with you. We're going to use a stocking this time, but I found some products that go together for that vinyl user in your life. We're going to start with a stocking this time instead of a bucket. I picked up these iron-on vinyls that they have over at Dollar Tree. I hadn't seen the iron-on ones yet. I also picked up this adhesive mat and this scraper. If you have somebody with a cutting machine, this is a great gift. If you don't have someone with a cutting machine, this can also be a great gift. I have some videos that are about using vinyl with no cutting machine, and I'll leave those down in my description box. But we're just going to add these to our stocking, and that is it for this one. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Now, I didn't forget the man in your life, so let's see what you can come up with as a gift idea for the man in your life. And they have different versions too. You could use auto supplies. I went with the tools section, so let's look at this super cute gift basket. For this project, we're going to start with the toolbox as our box, and we're just going to add our supplies. I got some pliers, I got a screwdriver set, I got this mini screwdriver set, I got a tape measure, and these gloves are cut resistant. We're just going to go ahead, add them all to our bucket or our toolbox, and this is also a gift in a gift. Let me know what you guys think about this one. If you're anything like me, you signed up for Secret Santa, forgot, and then it's Secret Santa Day. So I always keep some things on hand just in case I forgot or my kids need a super fast gift. These are super easy. You can pick these up ahead of time, but I have a couple different options for you as terms of Secret Santa gifts, teacher gifts, something like that. We're going to start with this gift bag set. Now these come in a group of 5. So if you have Secret Santa like I do, which is a week long, this would be great because you can put each of your gifts in one of the bags. For this quick project, we're going to take one of these cute little elf stuffed animals. We're also going to take some peppermint popcorn and some peppermint bark. We're just going to add it to the bag with our cute little elf in the front. And that is it. It makes a really fun and easy gift for Secret Santa. If you don't even want to go that far, they have these bougie candles. And I'm not even kidding, it says bougie on the candle. You're just going to add that to a bag, and that makes a super great gift as well. Let me know what you think of these Secret Santa gifts. That is it for today's video. If you want some more gift basket ideas, check out these 2 videos right here. And as always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!